In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Safari on an iPhone. Clearing Safari is an important step for maintaining your privacy and improving browser performance. It removes your browsing history, cookies, and cached website data. This can help resolve website issues and ensure that your personal data remains secure. Now, let's get started with the first option. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. You can find the Settings icon on your home screen, usually represented by a gear icon. Tapping this will take you to a menu where you can adjust various settings for your device. This step is crucial because it allows you to access all the options you need to clear Safari. Once you are in the Settings app, you'll be ready for the next action. Next, tap on Apps. This section contains all the applications installed on your iPhone. By selecting Apps, you are narrowing down your focus to the specific app settings, which is where you will find Safari. It's essential to find the correct app because we want to ensure that we are clearing the correct data for Safari. This step helps streamline the process. Now, tap on Safari. This action will direct you to the settings specifically for the Safari browser. Here, you can manage various aspects of Safari, including privacy settings and data management. Finding the Safari option is important because this is where you will initiate the clearing process. Once you are on this page, you are just a few steps away from clearing your data. Scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data. This option is specifically designed to remove all your browsing history along with any website data and cookies. Tapping this will bring you to a new screen where you can choose the time frame for clearing your data. It's vital because this ensures that you have control over what data gets removed and when. Choose a time frame such as last hour, today, today and yesterday, or all history. Selecting a time frame allows you to customize your clearing process. If you only want to remove data from the last hour, you can choose that option. This flexibility is important because it lets you manage your privacy without losing all your data unnecessarily. After making your selection, you're ready to confirm your choice. If prompted, choose the Safari profile to clear, or select all profiles. This option is relevant if you have multiple profiles set up in Safari. Selecting the right profile ensures that you are clearing the correct data associated with your browsing. It's a straightforward step, but it helps avoid accidental data loss from the wrong profile. Tap Clear History to confirm. This action will remove your browsing history, cookies, and cached website data. You will see a confirmation appear on your screen, assuring you that the clearing process has begun. This final confirmation step is essential for ensuring that your choices are executed correctly. Now let's move on to option 2, which is to clear only the cookies and cache while keeping your history intact. Open Settings again. Just like before, this will take you back to the main settings menu of your device. It's important to navigate back to the settings to access the specific options related to Safari once more. Tap Apps, then Safari. You will follow the same steps as before to reach the Safari settings. This ensures that you're in the right place to manage your cookies and cache. Remember, this step is crucial for refining what data you choose to clear. Tap Advanced. This option will take you to deeper settings within Safari. It allows you to access more granular controls over your browsing data. Understanding how to navigate to advanced settings is important because it gives you more control over your privacy. Tap Website Data. This section shows all the stored website data and cookies. By selecting website data, you are getting ready to clear specific types of data without affecting your browsing history. This step is vital for those who want to maintain their history while still managing website data. Now tap Remove All Website Data. This action will prepare to clear all cookies and cached data stored by websites. Confirming this step ensures that you are ready to proceed with this specific clearing without losing your history. Finally, tap Remove Now to confirm. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your website data and cookies have been cleared. This action is important because it helps keep your browsing experience smooth and private. For option 3, let's focus on removing a specific website from your history. Open the Safari app. You can find the Safari icon on your home screen, represented by a blue compass. This step is essential to access your browsing history directly from the app. Tap the Bookmarks button. This button usually looks like an open book at the bottom of the screen. By tapping this, you will find different tabs, including your history. It's crucial to reach this point so you can manage your history effectively. Next, tap the History tab, represented by a clock icon. This is where you'll find all the websites you've visited. Accessing your history is important because it allows you to select specific entries for removal. Find the website you want to remove from your history. You can scroll through the list or use the search feature if you have many entries. Identifying the correct website ensures that you are removing only what you want. Swipe left on the website entry and tap Delete. This action will instantly remove that specific entry from your history. It's a simple yet effective way to manage your browsing data. Remember, clearing history and website data does not remove your saved passwords or autofill information. This is important because you can clear your browsing data without losing essential login information. If clear history and website data is grayed out, there may be no browsing data to clear, or screen time restrictions may be preventing changes. Understanding these limitations is key to navigating any issues you might face. Lastly, if you use iCloud Safari, clearing your history on one device also removes it from your other devices signed in with the same Apple account. This insight is crucial for those who use multiple devices, as it ensures that you are aware of the broader implications of your actions. Now you have a thorough understanding of how to clear Safari on your iPhone. Thank you for watching.